In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a course on Udemy. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill or delve deeper into a subject you're passionate about, purchasing a course on Udemy is straightforward and convenient. Let's walk through the process together. First, head over to udemy.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Signing up is simple and just takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where the possibilities are endless. Next, it's time to search for the course you're interested in. There's a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the course or subject you're eager to explore. Udemy's library is vast, so take your time to browse through different options. Check out the ratings, reviews, and course descriptions to ensure you choose the best fit for your learning style and needs. After you've scrolled through the options and pinpointed the course you want, click on the course title. This will take you to the course page. On this page, you'll find detailed information about what's included in the course, the instructor's background, and what you can expect to learn. Be sure to watch the preview video if one is available, as it offers a glimpse into the course content and the instructor's teaching style. When you're ready to make your purchase, click the Buy Now button. This will initiate the purchasing process. If the course is being offered at a discount, the Buy Now button will display the reduced price. Udemy frequently holds sales, so keep an eye out for those opportunities. Following this, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. Udemy supports a variety of payment methods, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, and other local payment options depending on your region. Pick the one that suits you best. Now, enter your payment details and double-check for accuracy before clicking Pay. Ensure your card details or PayPal information are correct to avoid any issues with processing. Rest assured, Udemy uses secure technology to protect your payment information. Once your payment has gone through successfully, congratulations! The course is now yours. It will automatically appear in your My Learning section. You can access it immediately or anytime you're ready. This section keeps all your purchased courses organized in one place, making it easy to track your progress and resume learning whenever it's convenient for you. And there you have it. You're all set to start your new learning journey on Udemy. Enjoy exploring the new skills and knowledge your chosen course will unlock. And remember to take advantage of the resources Udemy offers, from notes and additional materials to quizzes and discussions. Happy learning!